Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful tulip, and it's really simple. So let's get started. The things that you will need is a outlining pen, or well, you don't need an outlining pen, but you can if you want to outline. And you will also need this rubber, any rubber. And you also need a pencil, but unless you can do this with pen, you can use pen, but I'm going to use pencil before I outline. And you also need some paper and something to colour in with. I have these colouring in markers. So let's begin our drawing. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to make a U shape, not at the bottom of our page but at the top like this, and it's going to be a pretty big U, so probably this size, and try to make sure that both ends are both the same size, both the same height. It's fine if they're a little bit off because that won't really matter because of the next step, which is making a curved line coming in, but not all the way in, just stop pretty close to the top, and then do the same thing on both sides. So it should look like this. And now we are just going to do the final thing for the actual tulip shape, which is making a curved triangle in the middle, not a small one. Maybe try to make it a bit smaller than these tips over here, like this. And now we are going to draw the stem. So the stem needs to be thin, and we're not going to start from the middle over here. We're actually going to go one side, so I'm going to go to the right side first. So I'm just going to make not very fat, but just like a thin line coming down the page. Unless you're going to put like some grass or maybe a floor or anything for like a floor for it, you don't want to go all the way down, but you can go halfway down. I'm going to go halfway down, and then I'm going to do this left line more on the left side, and try not to make it go really far away from this line, so probably about over here. And then I'm just going to try to get the same line pattern and try to make it go the same way. And then you can join it up at the end, but I sometimes like to do it, but I like to do it when I'm going to do a floor, so then I know where to put the floor. Now we are going to add the leaves. We are going to make a dome shape. So we're going to make it fat like this, and then make it curl up like this. And then we're just going to take this and go down like this. Then I like to do a smaller one on the other side. So I'm just going to make a smaller shape like that. And now for the final, well, you can add texture, which is just add a light line and maybe add some lines coming out of it. And then for the last thing, a floor, I'm just going to make some wavyish, bumpyish lines for soil, but you don't have to do this bit. And also you don't have to do this bit, but I'm just going to add a sun over here. So now we have finished our tulip. We are going to colour it in any colours with our colouring in things. Okay, so first I'm going to colour in the tulip pink. Okay, so that's my pink done. Now I'm going to colour in the leaf and stem green. So now I have completed the green for the stem and leaves. So now I'm going to colour in the soil. First I'm going to start with some light brown, just colouring it in not properly, leaving some white bits. And then I'm going to go over with some dark brown, filling in all of the white spaces. And for the soil, I would also suggest to start with the lighter shade of brown and then end with the darker shade, so the colours don't bleed together on your felt tip. So now I am going to colour in my sun in the colour yellow. So now I have completed colouring in my sun. So now for our final step, we are going to outline the picture with our outlining pen. So now I have completed my picture. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.